It saw us through 5 unforgettable seasons, but during last Monday's rainy, gusty greyness, our summer tent bowed out. The kingpins pierced through the worn canvas, and there was nothing for it but us to send out an SOS to our glorious army of volunteers in the hope that they would come to our rescue. And come they did. Guided over the phone by the brilliant team at Titan Tents, around 20 staff and volunteers swooped in to de-rig all 400 square metres of our beloved tent. In just 90 heroic minutes, the tent that has hosted so many unforgettable moments was carefully packed away and now rests on our outdoor stage, ready to be collected for salvage. An enormous thank you to every single hero who pitched in, to the ever-brilliant Westacre estate who digs us out of trouble on a regular basis, to the fabulous friends who once asked, "Need a hand?" and have somehow never been allowed to escape, and to the unsuspecting mums and dads from the home ed community who only came for coffee and cake and found themselves knee-deep in canvas instead. We are beyond grateful for your good humour, hugs and remarkable rope skills. A dramatic final act for our summer season, full of drama, teamwork and some very excellent sandwiches.